Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, and you have airbag light on, and you guys have a code such as 01588, stay with us guys and we'll explain what needs to be done and how to fix that code today. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, guys, we make at least 200 free repair videos. On this Volkswagen Tiguan, we just got it and we started making videos. We'll probably have close to 300-400 videos, guys, coming on the channel. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. We do all that so we can save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return is subscribe and like the video so we can keep providing this free information. If you guys need to buy any of the tools that we use to scan the system, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. We share all that, guys, for your convenience. Okay, so this is it, Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, 2014, but it should work, okay, for any year, pretty much Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, since they started making them from year 2007 to year 2000 and currently 20, guys. So now let me show you. I'm going to go ahead, okay, turn the car on, and you're going to notice how the airbag light stays on. Check it out now. Okay, airbag light turns off and then turns back on. Okay, it just stays on, guys. Okay, I'm going to turn the light off so you can see even better. Airbag light is on. If I get the codes here, it says airbag. So now let me show you guys what we'll be doing here. We need to go ahead, okay, we need to turn the car off. Perfect. Now what I'll do, I'll go ahead and connect our scanner. I'll talk about that in just a second. Okay, it's already plugged in to the OBD port of the vehicle. Perfect. Now this scanner, guys, is one of the best scanners you can find on the market, and I'm going to turn the ignition switch back on without starting the engine. Now right here, check it out. This is, guys, the scanner. It works pretty much on any car you can think of. It's like dealer level equipment without a programming. Check out all the makes that it supports: Porsche, BMW, Mercedes even, guys. We worked on multiple of those vehicles, and all we have to do, click VIN, auto detect. You can manually select your vehicle or automatically. The automatic function works without problems, probably 95% of the time. We click Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen European, guys. It's going to load. You're going to see, okay, check it out, airbag light just stays on, guys. Okay, the whole time it stays on. Okay, and now it's decoding the VIN number. We select Tiguan from 2008 up. This is the generation from 2018 up. Ours is between 2007 and 2017 generation. We select control unit. Next we are going to select airbag, and right here, guys, under airbag, let me show you what we have. Okay, trouble codes, and the code that we're going to get now, it says active. That means that there is a problem. Code 01588, driver's side curtain airbag igniter, and 251 upper limit exceeded. So problems, guys, okay, with the side airbags on the driver's side, and we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Okay, let me turn the car off. What we need to do now, every time you're, guys, close to the airbags, working on the airbag system, make sure, guys, that you disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, okay, before you mess with anything. Why? Because that will minimize the chance for something to explode, airbag to explode and kill you or injure you, guys, but there is always a chance for that to happen. So if you're not certified and qualified to work on airbags, I wouldn't recommend it, guys. We'll go ahead, disconnect our battery, and we'll continue after that. So this is, guys, the Tiguan right here. I'm going on the inside. We have the headliner removed. We have the video on the channel, guys, that explains, okay, how to remove headliner. So check it out. You will be able to see, guys, how to remove the headliner. If you need help with that, we will, guys, even try to put the link in the description of the video below so you can find it a little bit easier. Now, problems that can occur for that airbag and get that code, guys, either that side airbag that runs all the way from the back to the front exploded. It was the car was in an accident. Another thing could be the car was in an accident, they replaced it, guys, okay, and they didn't check the wires. Sometimes the wires will melt if a car was in an accident. As a result, you will get that code because it will not be communicating and you will think that the airbag is either missing or it's exploded, guys. It's done. And another thing could be loose connection if somebody didn't install it correctly, or sometimes corrosion, guys. If you live in a really humid climate, it can build up corrosion, so that could be the issue too. In our case, okay, I'm going to go ahead, plug it in, clean the connectors, push it all the way in, make sure it's all the way in, then close that orange thing, And now we're going to go ahead, reconnect the car battery, and we'll continue. Car battery has been reconnected, guys. What I'm going to do, we will turn the ignition back on. We're going to wait just a little bit, okay, for the scanners to establish communication. So what I will do, click escape, then we'll click travel codes one more time. If I try to start the car now, airbag light will still be on. Make sure you stay with us until the end. Okay, I'll show you guys. Airbag light just, okay, stays on. So I'll turn the car off, turn the ignition back on. And now the code says that it's passive, sporadic, which means it's not occurring. We'll click clear DTC. Confirm that, no fault codes detected. And if I start the car now, check it out. What's going to happen here? Okay, no airbag light on anymore. So that definitely takes care of the problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.